So I've been using a new little hack for the past couple of weeks that have boosted my views on IGTV using Instagram stories. And it's been working really well. Let's talk about it. Intro. Salutations everybody, Benjamin Brandon here, back with another IGTV tutorial, and for this 3-minute Thursday, I'm going to show you this hack that takes barely any time at all, doubles your amount of promotion views on Instagram TV, and not to mention it's super simple. And that's what this 3-minute Thursday is all about. Let's start the clock now. Here we go. So if you're not new to this channel and you've been rolling deep with the hashtag Vert community on Facebook, then you know that Instagram stories are one of the most effective ways to promote your IGTV videos, for more views of course. And when it comes to IGTV promotion, we need all the help we can get because Instagram only really gives us this little red dot, which not many people know what that is, which is supposed to notify our friends on Instagram that there are new videos for us to watch. Now I will say with the June update on Instagram TV, the videos that are being curated by the algorithm are actually pretty good. Those are videos I would watch. But again, you have to remember to hit that red dot to see new videos, and no one's doing that really. And so that's why a lot of us use Instagram stories. There are two ways you're able to link your IGTV video to your Instagram stories. The first is sharing your Instagram TV video from the video itself and adding it to your stories that way. And then you get this, which is the picture of your thumbnail, the title of your video, and a time code on how long your video is. And the second is simply going into Instagram stories and linking your video to any picture or video that you have. Now that is the swipe up feature, which any creator has. You don't need 10,000 followers to have that. Now something has changed recently, and this method is not as effective as it once was. I wasn't sure why, but then I did some case studies. Now this case study consisted of a bunch of client accounts that I either create content for or manage, along with A/B testing the particular content that's being posted on these accounts, and even compared to my own, and then vigorously going through all their Instagram story analytics, which that wasn't fun. My findings were people are not clicking on that little picture of a thumbnail. So to get that answer, I went ahead and did some small interviews with some of my friends on Instagram, those who are creators on the platform, are super familiar with Instagram, and those who just consume content and may not be so familiar with that UI. And the majority of users who weren't familiar with Instagram didn't even know that this little thumbnail linked to an IGTV video. Now I thought about that when I started using this strategy, so I even used a little GIF that says tap here in hopes that people would actually tap on it, and I noticed some boost in clicks, but it wasn't very many. And at the end of the day, the majority of people that we interviewed literally just thought this was a small picture of your thumbnail, didn't even know what it was. Is it an IGTV video? Why is that picture so small? Those were all the answers that we were getting. But the same case study group were super familiar and knew how to use the swipe up feature. And that's just because it's over 2 years old. A ton of creators that we follow have over 10K followers, so they see it all the time. So they swipe up to see what they're selling or what they're doing or whatever. So the culture is swayed more towards swiping up versus tapping. Case in point. Now I say all that so you can understand that the swipe up method is more effective versus the tap method that IGTV gives us. Now knowing all that and having all that data, this is what I did to counter all of that. I use both methods. That's the hack. Now follow me step by step. Once you get your awesome Instagram video up, make sure you put it on your feed. That is the most effective way to get views on IGTV, by the way. Go ahead and share it via the Instagram TV video itself. And once you do, head over to the link option on the top of your screen. For those who don't have 10K followers, all you'll see is the IGTV video option. Select that, and then select the exact same video. Now what you get is what I call the Instagram TV double whammy. For the small percentage of people that do understand they need a tap to watch your video, they will do that. And for the majority of people that are used to swiping up, they're going to be able to swipe up. Either way, you attract both people and you have double the chances of getting views with Instagram stories. And the results that I've been seeing from this, not only with my content, but with my clients' content, has been very good. Everyone is used to swiping up, so now they swipe up the majority of the time. And you get more web clicks and profile visits using this strategy. And again, super simple, quick, that's it. And other things you can do to gain more impressions on your Instagram story so you can get more Instagram TV views, go ahead and pop in 8 to 10 hashtags that are relevant to your video. Then you can just shrink them down and put them behind your text or your thumbnail itself. Add a location as well. You can also tag people, and you can hide those as well if you wish. And then boom, there you go. How am I doing on time? I think we're gonna have to get used to the fact that not every 3-minute Thursday is gonna be 3 minutes. I've taught you yet another hack to get more Instagram TV views, and I hope it works for you as much as it's worked for me. If this video provided you any value, do me a favor, smash the like button, just get after it. Sharing is caring, so share this video with someone that you think it will help. Subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos just like this. You do what you wanna do, I'm just here for you. And I, my beautiful vert friends, will see you on the next one. Peace.